Welcome to Tech World channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change call background in your Samsung Galaxy M16 5G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your phone app. Now from here tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. After that go to call background option. And then choose SIM card. You can choose SIM 1 or 2. If I select SIM 1, then tap on background option. And that's it. Now from here you can change your call background. You can see custom, featured and gallery. If you want to set this call background, just select it and then tap on set as call background. And it's done. Now your call background has been changed successfully. Now if you go to background option again, you can also turn on dark mode from here. Now if you want to choose any call background from your gallery, just tap on gallery option and then go to albums and then open up any album. Now if you want to set this picture as your call background, just select it and then tap on set as call background. And it's done. You can see your call background has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change call background in your Samsung Galaxy M16 5G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.